Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and here is how to install VidIQ extension. Now the first step is to open your Chrome, Firefox or Microsoft Edge browser and just type in VidIQ extension. Once you do that, you have your search result. Just click on VidIQ's extension for YouTube, Chrome, Firefox and Edge. Once you click on that, you would see this screen, and whatever pops up here depends on the browser that you're using. So right now I have Chrome, so you can see install Chrome extension. If I had Firefox, this would be install Firefox extension. So it just depends on the browser. So just click on install Chrome extension. Once you click on that, you have to click on add to Chrome right here, and then VidIQ will be automatically added to Chrome. Once you click on add extension, it will be downloaded, and then you can see by the bottom left it's being downloaded. Once the download is complete, then VidIQ will be automatically added to Chrome. Okay, let's just wait for this page to be redirected. Okay, right here you can see VidIQ has been added to Chrome, and to make sure that you can access your VidIQ dashboard on Chrome, just type in your email and your password here, and then you'd see your VidIQ dashboard. Now, to make sure that VidIQ is properly installed, click right here. Okay, you can see this button and then click on install. Once you click on install, again you'll be able to sign in here. Again, to make sure that you have access to the extension, you can see this button here that says extension. Click on that. You can see VidIQ here. Okay, no access needed. Okay, that means VidIQ has been added. Just click right here so that VidIQ shows up here. Once VidIQ shows up here, you can just be 100% sure that the extension has been added to Chrome. What this then means is that when you open YouTube, okay, just open YouTube and then you sign into your YouTube studio. Once you sign into your YouTube studio, you should be able to see VidIQ in your channel. Okay, and for you to see VidIQ in your channel, you have to open your VidIQ dashboard. So this is what your VidIQ dashboard looks like. Let me just show you how to set up the extension. Once you open your VidIQ dashboard like so, okay, if you open VidIQ in Chrome and just input your email and password, you see your dashboard right here. Okay, you have to add your channel to VidIQ so that when you log into YouTube Studio, your channel would be available on and work with the VidIQ extension. So you just have to click once you open VidIQ, you just have to click on the top right corner right here. Okay, so once you click on this drop down by the top right on your VidIQ dashboard, you click on channel settings. Once you click on channel settings, you'll be able to add your channel to VidIQ here. So once you've installed the extension in Chrome, you just have to log into VidIQ in Chrome, and then right here you input your channel email or your channel name and then add your channel to VidIQ. So once you've added your channel to VidIQ, okay, by logging into your VidIQ account, you just have to open up your YouTube studio, and then right here you can see VidIQ would be added to your YouTube studio right here as an extension. So once you've downloaded the extension, make sure you log into your VidIQ account and add your channel to VidIQ before the extension begins to work on your channel. Okay, so don't make the mistake of forgetting to add your channel to VidIQ. So once you do that, you have access to all of this and you'll be able to use VidIQ in your YouTube studio as an extension. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the